GoHighLevel is a powerful tool for real estate professionals, enabling them to manage leads, automate follow-ups, and enhance client interactions. Here's how to use it effectively for real estate. Lead generation and management. Use GoHighLevel to capture leads from sources like social media ads, Google Ads, and website inquiries. Integrate Facebook lead forms or embed forms on your website to funnel potential buyers and sellers directly into your CRM. Automation for follow-ups. Set up automated workflows to nurture leads. Create email and SMS campaigns that respond instantly to inquiries, schedule property showings, and provide follow-up reminders. Pipeline management. Use the customizable pipeline feature to track the status of leads, from new inquiries to closed deals. You can visualize where each lead is in the sales process and prioritize follow-ups. Appointment scheduling. Integrate the booking calendar for property showings or consultations. Sync it with Google Calendar for seamless scheduling. Drip campaigns. Use pre-built or custom campaigns to educate clients about the home buying or selling process, market trends, or specific properties. Review management. Automate requests for Google reviews from satisfied clients to enhance your online reputation. Analytics and reporting. Track campaign performance, lead sources, and sales metrics to optimize marketing efforts.